Number 11. Get a place. It means to secure a spot or position in a program, school, or housing.
She got a place at her favorite university. She got a place at her favorite university. They finally got a place to live downtown. They finally got a place to live downtown. He got a place in the new training program. He got a place in the new training program.
Number 12. Get to the point. It means to directly reach the main topic or important part of a discussion.
Please get to the point during the meeting. Please get to the point during the meeting. He never gets to the point when he talks. He never gets to the point when he talks. In emails, it's best to get to the point quickly. In emails, it's best to get to the point quickly.
Number 13. Get pregnant. It means to conceive a child.
She was excited to get pregnant last year. She was excited to get pregnant last year. Many couples try for years to get pregnant. Many couples try for years to get pregnant. They planned carefully before deciding to get pregnant. They planned carefully before deciding to get pregnant.
Number 14. Get a qualification. It means to achieve a certification or degree from an educational institution.
He got a qualification in digital marketing. He got a qualification in digital marketing. Getting a qualification can improve your job prospects. Getting a qualification can improve your job prospects. She's studying hard to get her professional qualification. She's studying hard to get her professional qualification.
Number 15. Get a really good deal. It means to make a purchase at a significantly reduced price.
They got a really good deal on the new car. They got a really good deal on the new car. At the sale, she got a really good deal. At the sale, she got a really good deal. I always look to get a really good deal online. I always look to get a really good deal online.